Calculate the air-fuel ratio. Apply the steady flow energy equation to section A and section B, and assuming unit mass flow of air, we get steady flow energy equation H1 upon half mc1 square plus Q is equal to H2 plus half mc2 square plus W, where H1 and H2 is equal to enthalpy, C1 C2 are velocity, and Q is equal to heat, and W is equal to work transfer. Assuming adiabatic flow, we get Q is equal to 0, W is equal to 0, and C1 0, because C1 is less than C2. We get C2 under root 2 H1 minus H2. Now H is equal to CPT, to putting value, and we get C2 is equal to under root 2 Cp T1 minus T2. For inlet, the Venturi thought can be considered to isentropic. We have process 1 से 2 T2 by T1 is equal to P2 upon P1 की पावर गामा माइनस 1 upon गामा. T2 is equal to T1 ब्रैकेट P2 upon P1 की पावर गामा माइनस 1 upon gamma, and putting the value of T2 in equation, C2 get under root 2 Cp T1 ब्रैकेट में 1 माइनस P2 upon P1 की पावर गामा माइनस 1 upon gamma. Mass flow of air is equal to m dot is equal to rho1 a1 c1 is equal to rho2 a2 c2. a1 a2 is equal to cross section area, and p1 upon rho1 की पावर गामा is equal to p2 upon rho2 की पावर गामा. We now rho2 is equal to p2 upon p1 की पावर 1 upon gamma into rho1. Putting the rho2 value in mass flow of air, we get m dot a is equal to p2 upon p1 की पावर 1 upon gamma into rho1 a2 under root 2 cp t1 ब्रैकेट में 1 माइनस P2 अपॉन P1 की पावर गामा माइनस 1 अपॉन गामा. m डॉट इज इक्वल टू P2 अपॉन P1 की पावर 1 अपॉन गामा इंटू P1 अपॉन R T1 इंटू A2 अंडर रूट 2 CP T1 1 माइनस P2 अपॉन P1 की पावर गामा माइनस 1. नाउ rho1 इज इक्वल टू P1 अपॉन R T1. So final date m dot is equal to a2 p1 upon r under root t1 under root 2 under root cp ब्रैकेट में p2 अपॉन p1 की पावर 2 अपॉन गामा माइनस p2 अपॉन p1 की पावर गामा प्लस 1 अपॉन गामा, एंड सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग cp is equal to 1005 किलो जूल पर kg केल्विन and gamma is equal to 1.4 and R is equal to 287. Now we get m dot a is equal to 0.1562 a2 p1 upon under root t1 under root p2 upon p1 की पावर 1.43 minus p2 upon p1 की पावर 1.73. m dot is equal to 0.1562 a2 p1 upon under root t1 phi, where phi is equal to p2 upon p1 की पावर 1.43 into p2 upon p1 की पावर 1.73, and we get m actual mass flow of air actual is equal to 0.1562 cda a2 p1 upon root t1 phi. And let we consider question first. Apply Bernoulli's theorem. Calculate air fuel ratio of fuel flow. Now Bernoulli's theorem, P1 upon rho f minus P2 upon rho f is equal to Cf square upon 2 plus Gz. Now Cf is equal to under root 2 P1 minus P2 upon rho f minus Gz. Mass flow rate of fuel m dot f is equal to mf, Cf is equal to rho f. Putting the value Cf in this equation, we get mf, mass flow rate, mf is equal to af under root 2 rho f P1 minus P2 minus Gz rho f, and we get mass flow rate of fuel is equal to CdF into AF under root 2 rho f P1 minus P2 minus Gz rho f, and its final air fuel ratio is equal to mass flow rate of air actual upon mass flow rate of fuel actual. We get air fuel ratio 0.156 to CD upon CDF, A2 upon AF, P1 5 upon under root 2 T1 rho F, P1 minus P2 minus Gz rho F. So that's final. Thank you.